Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to turn off auto updates on Android. So you can turn the auto updates for your Android system and the Android applications. So first of all, let's turn off the auto updates for the system. So for that, what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply scroll down and find the option for system. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the system interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for software update. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the software update interface. If you're using different version of Android, you might be able to find the option for system update too. So simply tap on it and you'll be led to the system update interface. Now what you have to do is tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings. You'll be able to find several options over here. If you find the option for auto download, all you have to do is tap on it. Now make sure to select the option do not allow. Likewise, you'll be able to find the option for auto update overnight or simply auto update. Make sure to toggle off this button. So simply tap on the button to toggle it off. Now you can see over here the auto update has been turned off for your system. Likewise, you can also turn off the auto updates for the Android applications. For that, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the option settings. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find the options like general, network preferences, purchase verification, etc. Tap on the second option, that is network preferences. Now you'll be able to find the drop down options over here. Tap on the option auto update apps. Now you'll be led to the auto update apps interface. You'll be able to find four options over here. Update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. Update with limited amount of mobile data. Update over Wi-Fi only. Don't auto update apps. So make sure the last option, don't auto update apps, is selected. If it is not selected, simply tap on it and it will be selected. Now simply go back. The changes will be saved. So like this, you'll be able to turn off the auto updates for your Android app. So that is how you turn off auto updates on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.